That's me driving all right. You're probably wondering how me and my car got into this situation. Well, we're about to show you on this episode of Drift Royale. So, over the course of things, I've of course done several videos on the Celica. Just kidding, I've only done one, which really annoys me, because I made so much progress, it's been such a long time. I mean, we've had other projects to do besides that. But let's just focus on this sexy motherfucker over here. Now, obviously, I've taken a lot of things off of the car, like the trunk, the fender, things like that. Also, the headlight covers, those are actually already painted. But I'm looking to paint the rest of the car. Now, as far as the inside goes, we got racing seats in here. Also, a nice little steering wheel. Yeah. So, also harnesses. But, let me show you the biggest thing, which has happened. So in the last video I made about this car, I basically was tearing apart at the engine and trying to see what's wrong. What ended up being wrong is the timing belt was actually completely melted, so I replaced that and everything was fine. So now, nice and running, as things should be. However, I do need to fix the exhaust, because as you can hear, it is pretty damn loud. So yeah. That's where we are right now.